Would you die for me? Would you live for me? I am not someone who is. No. Handsome. Hunka hunka!
What are you gonna do? You gonna kill me, Mr. J?
Oh, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Hey babies, so are you ready for another Mr. J?
What do we have here? You helped me by erasing my mind what unfaded memories I had. Oh. You left me in a black hole of rage and confusion. Without the medicine you practice, Dr. Quinzel.
What are you gonna do? You gonna kill me, Mr. J?
What? Oh, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
But before I tell you what you're going to see in this video, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so you can be aware of our latest video, which I'm sure, totally sure, you're gonna love them. See, I know I've done Joker before, Heath Ledger, and which was my favorite and which is my favorite Joker of all time, but you guys asked me a lot to do Mr. J, the Jared Leto Joker, and I love him, so why not? Let's do Joker again.
I wouldn't want you to break those perfect porcelain cap teeth when the juice hits your brain.
So while we're doing Mr. J, we can chat a little bit. Actually, it's not a chat because this is me only talking, but you can answer me back in the comments. You know, it's really true that the more you're sensitive to something, the more you get it. You know, unlike me, my mom is really obsessed with cleanliness. I don't know why. I swear to God, one day I kill this powder. And bad for her, things don't go really clean around her. So one day I was brushing my teeth and I saw something like, you know, something red around the toothbrush, like a lipstick or something. But you know, I never use lipstick before I brush my teeth, so I thought that probably my gum was bleeding, so I got worried and I told my mom about it. So I told my mom everything about the red thing around my toothbrush. Bless you. I told her everything, and suddenly she was like, "Which toothbrush did you use?" I said, "Mine, the green one, obviously." So my mom was like, "No, yours purple, mine is green." And I was like, "No, Mom, mine's definitely green. Everything I got is green." And she said, "Honey, I'm using this toothbrush for about 6 months." I said, "Get back, Mom, I'm using it for a year." You really should have seen my mom's face. It was great. You know, I changed that moment with nothing. You know, I didn't enjoy a lot sharing my toothbrush with my mom, but she overreacted. She was like, "Bring me some acid, I want to wash my mouth." And you know what's the worst part? This happened twice. My mom used my toothbrush for 2 times. And she doesn't even accept it. So finally we labeled the toothbrushes. So if someone ever tells you if you want to be hygienic, you should always brush your teeth, show them this video. That's the healthy way.
You.
You're not leaving me. You're not leaving me!
You're a little pain in the ass.
I have done everything you said, every test, every trial, every initiation. I have proved I love you. Just accept it.
Got it. I am not someone who is loved. I'm an idea. State of mind. I execute my will according to my plan, and you, doctor, are not part of my plan.
Just let me in. I promise. Let me in. I promise I won't hurt you.
Promise?
Hey, dickface! Mind screaming at your bitch somewhere else.
I was gonna say I wouldn't do that if I were you. Don't hurt me. I'll be your friend. Do it.
My heart scares you and a gun doesn't.
Do it! If you weren't so crazy, I'd think you were insane. Go away.
And again, another thing happened about 2 days ago when we were watching one of my YouTube videos. So we found that the pencil I use for painting my nose holes, my mom uses for her eyes. So I guess you can imagine how she was like that moment. Anyway, she wasn't happy. But I don't know why I'm such a mess. Unlike her, unlike my brother, he's obsessed with cleanliness as well as my mom. Yeah, I can't survive in this family. Alright guys, so for the teeth, I use this because I couldn't find tooth grills. I know you can't understand what I'm saying, but I can't take them off because they're too hard. And these are the tattoos here. And I'm totally I'm totally satisfied with this face art and what they doing. Now I can't talk. Voice sounds such a great idea, but it keeps moving my mouth, so it's a little bit hard. It's just useful for taking some photos and pictures, photos and videos, and nothing else. So I hope you guys like this video, the makeup, everything. And if you do, please go and subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video like always, and tell me your opinion about this makeup and about the new episode of Suicide Squad. I haven't watched it yet. I'm going to watch after this makeup tonight. And that's it. Love you guys so much, and bye bye.
Question. Would you die for me?
Yes.
That's too easy. Would you live for me?
Yes.
Careful. Do not say this oath thoughtlessly. Desire becomes surrender, surrender becomes power. You want this?
I do.